Okay, that's working. Mute that. uh. I don't know what music to put on, but okay. All right. Woohoo.
Boys, look who
Oh
it
man.
is!
Oh, wait a second. Oh. Oh man. Okay.
Welcome, aspirants, to the grand tournament.
Alright. It's here, guys. It's here. My bad. I just missed the thing and switched. Oh well. Alright. We're gonna open packs. Oh. Alright. Do this. Oh my god.
Prepare yourself for a day of the most impressive jousting, eye-popping sideshows, and the mightiest combat you've ever encountered.
Oh my god.
Rare.
Oh man. Oh. Or none? Oh. Huh, how come it didn't show up? Alright. Okay.
Rare.
Oh man.
Rare.
Mm-hmm.
Rare.
Okay.
Rare.
Alright.
Gold. Rare.
Oh, nice.
Rare.
Fist of Jiraxis. When you play or discard this, deal 4 damage to a random enemy. That's actually kind of interesting. So you don't actually have to play it, you can discard it. So that like kind of synergizes with the succubus and stuff like that.
Rare. Golden common.
Oh yeah.
Rare.
You minion. Huh? Oh man. Sorry if you could hear that on stream. It's pretty gnarly. Cracked my neck. Oh man.
Rare. Epic.
Epic. nice. Cards you draw from your hero power cost 0. Oh, it's a warlock. Nice. Oops.
Rare. Rare. Rare.
Armored Warhorse is a rare, huh? Did not know that. Oh. Oh, nice. Coda Rider. It's actually really... Coda Rider's really good. Not quite as good as, like, a Grim Patron, maybe? But still pretty scary. I mean, they have more health, so... I don't know. Okay. Alright. Alright. Nice. Oh, nice. These are really good. Oh man, it's a big card. Oh, another Fisted Reckless. Okay. Highest attack minion. That's an interesting card. It's an interesting card. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Legendary.
This is a good pack. Holy smokes. Okay. You have at least 4 other minions deal 4 damage. Seems like a good beast deck character. Perhaps.
Rare.
I didn't actually read what that rare did. Oh well.
Golden epic.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Rare.
Oh. Oh wow. That's powerful.
Epic.
Oh.
Golden rare.
Alright. Oh wow. That's a lot of overload.
Rare.
Okay.
Rare.
Alright.
Rare. Rare.
Man, I feel like I've gotten a lot of these.
Rare. Rare.
Alright.
Rare.
Okay, that's the third one of those I've gotten.
Epic. Rare. Rare.
Oh man. Oh man.
Golden common. Rare.
Alright. Boom.
Rare.
Alright.
Rare. Rare.
Alright.
Rare.
Oh man. It's almost all of them.
Rare.
Ooh. I like that. That'll go well with my shaman deck. I have.
Rare. Golden epic.
Nice. Last one. It's the last one, guys.
Rare. Rare.
Huh, Brave Archer. That's clever. That's actually really clever. Let's see. Alright. Let us go to my collection. Let's see. Holy crap. Alright. So. So many cards. Alright. Deal 2 damage or summon 2 1/1 saplings. And an empty mana crystal. Lose a mana crystal. Oh, okay. Transform to gain charge or +1/+1 in stealth. Gain 10 mana crystals. Discard your hand. Spire. Give your hero +2 attack this turn. Wait, how much is the 4? Oh. Give a friendly beast +3 health. Okay. +2 attack this turn. Whenever you summon a beast, reduce the cost of this card by 1. Okay. Your hand is empty, deal 2 damage to the enemy hero. Okay. After your hero is attacked, summon a 3/3 bear with taunt. Reveal a minion in each deck. Wow, I have 6 of those. Lock and load. Lock and load adds a card to my hand every time I cast a spell. Let's see. Ram Wrangler. If I have a beast, summon a new one. Deal 2 damage to a minion and the minions next to it. It's pretty good. Summon 3 1/1 web spinners. This seems pretty good. Do I have the web spinners? Are web spinners? Whatever, I'll get there. Okay. Oops. Hovered over that guy. Hero power does more damage. Deal 2 damage to a minion. The spell gets double bonus from spell damage. Oh. So, if I have any spell damage things, it's doubled. So, like, if I have spell damage +1, then I get +2. If I have 2 spell damage +1s, I get +4. Sounds pretty good. Let's see. When a friendly minion dies, summon a random minion with the same cost. Okay, it's interesting. Transform a minion into a 2/4 boar with charge. Okay. Inspire, gain spell damage +1. Add a random spell to each player's hand. When your turn starts, give your minions +1/+1. Okay. Reveal a minion in each deck. If yours costs more, gain +1 durability. +3 attack and divine shield. Your silver hand recruits have +1 attack. Summon a random murloc. Reveal a minion in each deck. If yours costs more, restore 7 health to your hero. Destroy all minions except each player's highest attack minion. Choose a minion. Whenever it attacks, restore 4 health to your hero. Swap the health and attack of all minions. If you're holding a dragon, gain +1 attack and taunt. Whenever a character is healed, gain +2 attack. Alright. Whenever you equip a weapon, give it +1 attack. Ouch. Just banged my hand on the table. Ouch. A cat purse. Whenever this... Let's see, Burgle. Got a golden Burgle and a regular Burgle. From your opponent's class. Whenever this minion attacks a hero, add the coin to your hand. Oh! Interesting. Combo. Deal 1 damage. Okay. If you have a pirate, gain +1/+1. Gain +3 attack is a combo. Draw 2 cards. Totem Golem. Overload. Deal +4 or 5 damage to all minions. Overload 5. Huh. Okay. That's like a total last resort sort of thing. Healing Wave. I got a golden and a regular one. Huskar Totemic. Summon any random totem. Oh. Gain +1/+1 for each friendly totem. Give your totems +2 attack. Nice. Might want to mess around with my totem deck. Whenever you discard a card, gain +1/+1. Or give a demon +3/+3. Give your opponent a mana crystal. Whenever this minion takes damage, you also deal that amount to your hero. Huh. Oh, but it's a 4/3 for 2. I see. Burst of Draxus. When you player discard this card, deal 4 damage to a random enemy. Golden Fist of Draxus. Wilfred Fizzbang. Nice. Scary Demon. Same Scary Demon, but gold. Give your taunt +2/+2. Oh, give your taunt minions +2/+2. Oh, that's pretty good. Give a minion taunt. If you're holding a dragon, gain +1 attack and charge. And deal 3 damage, gain 3 armor. You have a minion with taunt, gain +1 durability. Give your weapon +1 attack every time you use your hero power. Pretty good. Alright. Reveal a minion from each deck. If yours costs more, gain +1/+1. I deal 3 damage to this minion. Let's see. Gain +1 attack. Taunt. I have 7 of those. I got 7 of those. Okay. Can't attack, inspire. Can't attack is normal. Gain +1 health. Golden. Bone Guard Lieutenant. Deal 1 damage to a random enemy. It's kind of like a knife juggler, except it's a flame juggler. And it's only a battle cry. Alright. +2 attack. Okay. Give a friendly minion +2 attack. Charge Divine Shield. Man, I got a lot of... Wow, I have 8 of those. Alright. 5 of those. Oh man. Stealth Divine Shield. Huh. Alright. Cool. Tuskar. Refreshment vendor. Oh wait. If I click on one, oop. No, it only shows the 2. Yeah, it only shows 2. Alright, where were we? Here we go. Store 2 health to your hero. Every time you use your power. Give a friendly mech +1/+1. Inspire gain +2/+2. Hit fighter. Give your other minions +1/+1. Add a 2/2 squire to your hand. Recruiter. I like that. Reveal a minion in each deck if yours costs more. Gain taunt and divine shield. Capture Jormungandr. Summon a 3/5 War Kodo. I like that. Deal 4 damage. Alright, that's everything. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna remake my Shaman deck. And let's search Totem. Alright. Got all those. Alright. So let's see. What does this guy do? Give your totems +2 attack. Alright. Let's see, what other strategy do we want to go with? This is pretty good. I think we'll take that. Oh, we definitely want a hex. So I think the Wind Fury and totem strategy is pretty good. This is good. Oh. Let's see. I don't want that. Draw 2 cards. Well, if we get him, get that, one of those. This guy's got Wind Fury. Do I have a hex? 3. Let's see. Yes, I do. Feral Spirit, yeah. Okay. Let's check out this. Alright. So what? Let's see. You deal 3 damage to this minion. Huh. Let's look at my curve. Okay. So, let's see. Give a friendly minion +2 attack. That seems pretty good. Yes, I want one of those. Let's see. Let's look up. Wait. Ice Rager. Oh, it doesn't have any powers. Let's see. Oh, wait, I want a Defender Vargas. This guy. Give me that. And this dwarf might not be bad. Let's see. Bomb Robber might be. Oop. Shoot. I need more powerful cards. Oh, wait. Luckless Champion. Give your other minions +1/+1. Yes. I want that. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get one of those. Alright, let's try this puppy out. Actually, should I mass disenchant? How much do I get? That's a lot of dust. Yeah, let's disenchant. What the heck? Oh man, so much dust. Done. Actually, hold on. Let's see. Grand Tournament. Crafting. Alright. Oh, that's pretty good. Minus 400. Wow. It's expensive. Alright, well. Think about it later. But like, I can disenchant one of these. So I have a golden one. But that's the thing to me, like, it's like, if I have golden, how, like, why does it count these separately? Like, I feel like if I have golden ones, it should, count the golden ones first, and then count these as extra, you know? So, like, if I have, so get rid of any of the extras of these, and keep up to 2 golds. I don't know. Alright. Let's try out our custom shaman. Oops, I didn't rename it. Do I have any quests? No, I've already finished them. Let's see. Totem. Totems forever. Alright. Done. Back. Play. Totems forever.
Thrall versus Valera.
Watch your back.
For Doomhammer.
These are pretty good. Get rid of those. Nice. That's a turn 2. Sort of deal. Well, let's see. Maybe I should coin this out. Let's see. Yeah, let's coin that out. Put some pressure on the board. Nice.
I can fix anything.
Alright, I got some value out of that.
Did you bring some fish?
Oh, come on. Are you serious? Alright.
Magic detected.
Alright. Let's see. To all minions. Wow. Don't really want to do that. I shall, however, play that. Let's see. Does 2 takes 2. Alright. Well, let's see what he does. Wow. Okay.
I am ready.
Hmm. Lol. It's probably not the best play, but whatever. Only gonna have 1 mana next turn. Probably not a good play. Oh well. To the face. Ah, shit. Alright.
So many options.
Do we really not have any other art she wants to play? I mean...
Magic detected.
Oh, shit. Oh, screw you, man. Let's see. 14. Don't want to use that yet. Let's see.
There is a lot at stake.
Right on time.
Wow.
This is our town, scrub.
Yeah, beat it.
Hmm. That's okay.
Elements I like, totems I love.
I just don't want him to die. Ah, sweet. You motherfucker. Ah. I see how it is. See how it is.
So many options. Choose soon.
What you gonna do, brother? Come on, kill my Thunder Buff Valiant. Please, please kill my Thunder Buff Valiant. Motherfucker. Alright. Let's see.
Well played.
Fucking yes!
Do not push me!
Oh, I should attack that guy. Oh well. Let's see, he's got...
Powering up. Portals online.
Okay.
There is a lot at stake here.
Sweet. Wow. Shit. God damn it! Alright, well that was cool. One day. Well, I think that'll do it, since there is literally nobody watching the stream. And I'll upload this to YouTube. So, to the people who are going to watch this on YouTube, if you watch this on YouTube, which is probably where you'll be watching it if you end up watching it, because nobody's watching the stream right now. Anyway, to you guys, I say, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and stuff like that if you enjoyed what you saw. Otherwise, I don't know, do whatever you want to do. But I would appreciate likes and subscribes because, you know, they help me out. Anyway, I think that'll do it for me here. Till next time.